In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TradingView account. TradingView is a widely used platform for traders and investors, offering advanced charting tools and a supportive community. Setting up an account is a straightforward process, and in this tutorial, we'll walk you through each step to ensure a seamless registration experience. To start, fire up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and in the search bar, type TradingView. Hit enter, and you should see TradingView's official site at the top of your search results. Click on the link, and this will direct you to the TradingView homepage. This platform offers an array of features, even for those beginning with a free account, that will later help with your chart analysis needs. Once you're on the homepage, you're likely to notice a button that reads Get Started for Free. This is your gateway to unlocking the basics that TradingView has to offer. Go ahead and click on that button. TradingView provides several entry points based on different levels of trading expertise and need, but don't worry, starting with a free account is a great way to familiarize yourself with everything. After clicking the Get Started for Free button, you'll be directed to a page that highlights different pricing plans. Here, ignore the plan details for now, and instead, look for the Sign Up button. This is typically found at the bottom of the options. Click on it. Signing up will prompt the creation of your TradingView user account, and you'll soon have access to the platform's diverse toolkit. Next, you have the option to choose the method for registering your account. TradingView conveniently offers several options for signing up. You can go with your email, or if you prefer a faster route, you can use existing profiles like Google, Facebook, or other social media accounts you may have. If you opt for using an email, TradingView will guide you through entering details, a secure password, and your email address. It's essential to pick a password that is secure, not only to protect your account, but to ensure peace of mind regarding your sensitive financial activities. Once you've put in your details and clicking Create Account, you might need to verify your email address. So, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Clicking on the link within this email will verify your account and grant access to all of TradingView's basic features. You're now a part of the TradingView community, ready to explore trading charts, set alerts, or maybe even share tips with fellow traders. There you have it. You've successfully created your very own TradingView account. Feel free to explore all the free features available, and as you grow more comfortable and your trading endeavors expand, you might consider upgrading to a paid plan for additional insights and tools. Happy trading, and welcome to TradingView.